In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Claude respond in a certain manner using the desktop app. This is a super useful trick if you want Claude to be more concise, more detailed, more professional, or just easier to work with in your day-to-day tasks. Instead of repeating the same instructions every single time, you can set a preference that helps guide how Claude responds across your conversations. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. Once it's open, look down to the bottom left corner of the window and click your name or profile icon. This opens the account and settings area where you can customize your experience. From there, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select General. This is where Claude keeps the main app preferences, including the section for response instructions. Now look for the box labeled Instructions for Claude. This is the important part. In this box, you can type exactly how you want Claude to respond. For example, you might write something simple like keep explanations brief and to the point. You could also ask Claude to be more detailed, use bullet points, sound more formal, or focus on step-by-step answers. The goal is to give Claude a clear style preference so it can tailor its replies to your needs. After typing your instructions, take a moment to review them and make sure they say exactly what you want. Then click Save Changes. Once you save it, Claude will start using those instructions in future responses, which makes your chats much more consistent and efficient. This is especially helpful if you use Claude for work, studying, content creation, or everyday productivity. And that's it. You've now learned how to make Claude respond in a certain manner by changing the instructions in the desktop app. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.